Look at this. This is the normal doorbell sound. There is a full functional, the two buttons. There's the music of the 7s. Let's see this minute 36 musics. And this is the full functional data. And there is and no battery in there. And this one is so cool. Look at the Sage logo. But it looks like this way. And this is the way it's an elevator. This one is the remote control. The one is so cool. And this one is functional cool. But the flag looks like this. But it looks like Israel. And this one looks like this. And the Sage are the blue colors. But the elevator buttons. And this one is festive. And this one is doorbell button. And this one is MF B322050382. This is QC past, and this is the Sage logo, and this is the full functional sound, and this is a battery changer. And what's it will look like? This, and see what it is. It looks like Sage, but it can't focus. Focus this camera. Yeah, look at that. And this is the way to focus. It can't be focusing. It counts it cursing. That's how it looks like that. Can't be focus. Okay, here this is Sage. And this one is a button, and this is the doorbell sound. And that's it.